Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. It's mid-season and it's that time of year you want to be giving your wood heater a little bit of TLC. I'm going to show you two things you should be doing right now to ensure the rest of the winter you can have no problems at all. In front of all the Pacific Energy wood heaters are these little holes called bellows. These bellows are awesome. That's what gives the air directly into the embers, making the Pacific Energy fire kick off beautifully. Now, when the ash gets above these holes, you're restricting quite a lot of the airflow into the heater. So it's basically telling you, give me a clean. Now, when you do clean out your wood heater, what you want to do is leave some ash. And it's a good idea to leave roughly about 1 inch of ash in the bottom of your fire. So as soon as you light your fire up, you're ready to go. You don't need to rebed the fire in. The next thing you want to be doing is quickly cleaning the fans. Now, what I love about the Pacific Energy wood heaters is the fans are on the side of the heaters, so it doesn't suck a lot of dust or the ash from the floor. But like any fan, if you have dogs or animals, it's going to suck in dog hair or cat hair. As you can see, the outer fascia of this heater just simply clips up and pulls off, and it reveals the fans on both sides. Now, we highly recommend you to unplug it from the power before you do this, and you can do that by unplugging it directly from the unit or killing it directly at the power point. Never touch a heater while it's still charged. Now you've got the fascia off the heater, a simple vacuum cleaner, you can suck out any of the dog hair or dust from either one of the fans. If you find the fans are completely choked up with dog hair, what you can do is take off the outer fascia. These 4 screws do that really easily, and it's going to give you a little bit more area to do what you're about to do. What you want to do is use a 3/8 spanner and just quickly loosen off these 2 bolts. What I love with this heater, the fans just clip out, and allowing you to actually have the fan in your hand and get all that dog hair out if you need to do it. Putting it all back together is simply the same thing but in reverse. Click your fans in, ensure they're tightened up nice and tight, put the outer fascia back on and just simply clip the inner fascia back on. Regular maintenance on any wood heater is so important, and just by taking a few minutes every couple of months to clean your heater and look after it, you're going to get many years of fantastic use out of your Pacific Energy wood heaters. Available through Pivot Stove and Heating and any of our dealer networks right around Australia.